Welcome back to Essential Eats, your go-to channel for all things healthy and delicious. Today, we have an important topic to discuss: avocado. Get ready to dive deep into why we should consider eating avocado every day. Let's jump right in. Avocado, known as nature's butter, is not only creamy and delicious but also a nutritional powerhouse. In this video, we'll explore the compelling reasons why incorporating avocado into your daily diet can be a game changer for your health. Avocados are rich in healthy monounsaturated fats, which are known for their heart-healthy benefits. These fats can help lower bad cholesterol levels and reduce the risk of heart disease. Plus, avocados are virtually cholesterol-free. Beyond its heart-healthy fats, avocados are loaded with essential nutrients. They are a great source of vitamins and minerals, including potassium, vitamin K, vitamin E, and vitamin C. Potassium, in particular, plays a crucial role in maintaining healthy blood pressure levels, supporting nerve function, and promoting proper muscle contractions. Avocados are also packed with dietary fiber, which aids in digestion and promotes a feeling of fullness. This can be especially beneficial for weight management and maintaining a healthy weight. The fiber content of avocados helps regulate bowel movements, supports a healthy digestive system, and may even contribute to better gut health by providing nourishment for beneficial gut bacteria. Another compelling reason to eat avocado every day is its incredible antioxidant content. Avocados are rich in antioxidants like lutein and zeaxanthin, which are beneficial for eye health and may help reduce the risk of age-related macular degeneration. These antioxidants also have anti-inflammatory properties, which contribute to overall well-being and help protect against chronic diseases. But wait, there's more! Avocados contain a variety of beneficial plant compounds, such as phytosterols and polyphenols, which have been linked to anti-inflammatory effects and improved heart health. These compounds contribute to overall health and may help reduce the risk of chronic diseases, such as diabetes and certain types of cancer. Furthermore, avocados are an excellent source of folate, a B vitamin that is essential for cell growth and development, making them especially important for pregnant women to support fetal development. The presence of folate in avocados also contributes to healthy red blood cell production and supports overall energy levels. Avocados are a great source of healthy fats, which are essential for the absorption of fat-soluble vitamins, such as vitamins A, D, E, and K. Including avocado in your meals can help ensure that your body efficiently absorbs these important vitamins for optimal health. The high nutrient density of avocados also makes them a great choice for supporting brain health. Avocados contain omega-3 fatty acids, vitamin E, and antioxidants, which are all beneficial for cognitive function, memory, and overall brain health. Incorporating avocado into your daily diet is not only nutritious but also delicious. Avocados are incredibly versatile and can be used in a wide range of dishes. Spread them on toast, add them to salads, blend them into smoothies, use them as a healthy fat substitute in baking, or create tasty guacamole. The creamy texture and mild, nutty flavor of avocados enhance any meal and provide a satisfying and satiating experience. So, why not make avocado a staple in your daily meals and enjoy its incredible health benefits? Remember, moderation is key, as avocados are calorie-dense. But the good news is that their nutrient density makes them a worthwhile addition to a balanced diet. But wait, there's more! Let's explore some additional benefits of avocados. Avocados are known to have anti-inflammatory properties, thanks to their high content of monounsaturated fats and antioxidants. These properties may help reduce inflammation in the body, which is linked to various chronic diseases such as arthritis, heart disease, and even certain types of cancer. The combination of healthy fats and fiber in avocados helps promote satiety and can aid in weight management. Including avocados in your meals can help you feel fuller for longer, reducing the likelihood of overeating or reaching for unhealthy snacks. Did you know that avocados also have potential skin benefits? The vitamin E and antioxidants found in avocados can contribute to maintaining healthy and radiant skin. These nutrients help protect the skin from oxidative stress and can aid in reducing signs of aging. Avocados are a versatile ingredient that can be enjoyed in many ways. Whether it's adding slices of avocado to your sandwich, incorporating them into your favorite salad, or using them as a base for creamy dressings and dips, avocados add a unique flavor and texture to your meals. It's important to note that while avocados are packed with health benefits, they are also relatively high in calories. So, portion control is key when including avocados in your daily diet. A serving size is typically around 1/3 to 1/2 of a medium-sized avocado. Incorporating avocado into your daily routine can truly elevate your overall well-being. So, why not make it a goal to enjoy the goodness of avocados every day? Your heart, brain, skin, and taste buds will thank you. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to Essential Eats for more exciting videos on healthy eating, superfoods, and nutrition tips. We're here to help you nourish your body and live your best, healthiest life. Remember, your health is essential, and we're here to help you make every bite count. See you next time.